In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in a Messenger group chat. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the Messenger application, select the group chat that you want to create this poll in. Now, if you don't already have a group chat with multiple members, then you can go and create one of these as well. Once you're in your group chat, click on the plus icon in the bottom left-hand side, and then select the poll icon from this top navigation. Now, if you don't see this option, you may just need to update your Messenger app to the latest version. And once you're on this window, we can go ahead and type in a poll question. So I'm just going to type in, what is 5 times 5? And then you can go and add different options that people can select for the poll. So for example, I'm going to type in 10 for one of the answers, and I'm going to do 12 over here. And then I'm also going to add 25 as well. And then what we can do is click on create poll. And as you can see, this has now been sent over to the group chat, and all of the members in this group chat can now vote on this poll by clicking the vote button. And then once you've submitted a vote, these votes will now be recorded publicly. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.